In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook Marketplace shop in 2022, specifically designed for beginners. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to showcase your products to a wide audience, and setting up your shop is straightforward. Let's dive into the process and get your shop up and running. First things first, you'll need a Facebook business page. If your business already has one, that's great. If not, don't worry, you can easily create one. To clarify, there's no need to set up a separate Facebook account because your business page operates independently from your personal profile. It's important to note that your business page won't be visibly linked to your personal Facebook profile unless you choose to share content from your shop to your personal page. Once your business page is ready, the next step is to add a shop section. Navigate to the Create Your Shop page and click on Next to begin. If you're already using Shopify, you can conveniently sync your products by selecting the Sync a Partner Platform option and following the prompts provided. This ensures a seamless integration of your existing products into your new Facebook shop. Now let's talk about the checkout method. Facebook offers 3 options for completing customer checkouts. One popular choice is to have customers check out directly through Facebook, which allows you to enable Shop Pay, an efficient payment method that many shoppers are already familiar with and trust. Moving along, you'll need to choose your sales channel and business manager account, decide on the page you intend to sell from, or create a new one if necessary. If selling on Instagram is part of your strategy, select your Instagram business account and proceed by clicking Next. The next crucial step is selecting a catalog. Choose the catalog you want to link to your store and click Next. Keep in mind that the catalog must meet Facebook's eligibility criteria for stores to ensure everything runs smoothly once you're live. Setting up your shipping and returns policies is vital to providing a good customer experience. Begin by determining how you'll handle shipping orders. Include pertinent information such as the areas you ship to, for example within the US only, along with details like handling time, minimum order values for free shipping, expected delivery times, and your return window policy. Clearly outlining these options is key to setting customer expectations right from the start. Finally, it's time to submit your shop and complete the setup process. Carefully review all the shop details you've entered, read through, and agree to the seller agreement, and then click Finish Setup. Making sure everything is accurate at this stage helps prevent future issues and ensures a successful launch of your Facebook Marketplace shop. With these steps complete, you're well on your way to running a successful Facebook Marketplace shop. Thank you for following along and happy selling!